Oh my God! Are you guys seeing this? Holy shit! That thing is a beast! It survived death and literally shot water out of it when I turned it on. That is amazing.
It's a little chilly this morning, but here's the newest update so far. We got our table and stuff out. This is mainly all Jaden's stuff. So this is all of Jaden's stuff that survived. So he actually had a lot of stuff that did survive, thank God. That out there is all the stuff that we lost. A lot of clothes and a lot of Jaden's stuff, a lot of the stuff from the office, his bed and things like that. So that right there is all that we've lost, but it's not a whole lot considering how much some people's lost. So super thankful, and all we have left to do now, destruction wise, is to take out the sheetrock and the trim downstairs that was damaged by the water. I think that's it. I think that's all the deconstruction that we have now. So after we get that taken out, we are on the route for reconstruction. So yeah, so we're doing good. We're making really quick progress. So I know I've said it 1,000 times, but I just want to make sure that you guys truly understand it, how much I really appreciate you guys. We really appreciate all the support and all the kind words, all the donations, just everything. I'm blown away at how awesome everyone's been. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted, and again, thank you guys.